have been saying that there is a sense of the emptiness that we feel as we think of how much we miss the person we're thinking of. But we're also going to hold up a light, the light on the tree and our light here that we might have as a sign of the fact that we have not lost the light that they've been in our life. That light is still glowing for us. So any kids who would like to come over, let's see, Michael, do you have the glitter? You're right there. We need some volunteers to help us with our countdown. Anybody from the crowd, if you want to go over by the tree, you can. You're welcome to stay there, whichever way you want to do it. So we got a few. Okay, we're about ready, and so young people, we'll count down 10, 9, 8, down to 0, and when you hear 0, then toss that magic glitter. You're welcome to join me in the countdown. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I'm going to invite Emily and Kira to come up once more to sing the song For Good.
People come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are led to those who help us most to grow if we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I knew you. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes the sun, like a stream that meets a boulder halfway through the wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, I have been changed for good. It will make me that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, so much of me is made of what I learned from you. You'll be with me like a handprint on my heart. And now whatever ways our stories end, I know you have rewritten mine by being my friend. Like a ship blown from its mooring by the wind off the sea, like a sea dropped by a skybird in a distant wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, because I knew you, because I knew you, I have been changed for good.
Merry Christmas.